I would like to get your feedback. This is really very important for me. This is also important for our non-profits, also for the business activities we have been promoting on social media. Let me start from the non-profit side. During the past 7 years, I have been engaging in different free service and youth empowerment, training, scholarship, mentoring, different kinds of free service missions on social media. Recently, also, we are working on bringing people together to work on investment missions so that we also create jobs and support business development. From all these non-profit and business missions, what I'm learning is that it's really very challenging to have a consistent engagement from people. Be it's a business or a mentoring or training or non-profit or volunteering or social media, partnership or whatever. 95% of the people that come to our platform, they usually don't come again. People come and go, come and go, come and go. Even after they pay their money for investment, they don't follow up. They don't attend meetings regularly, and they drop after coming to different discussions, and then maybe you don't see them after 3 weeks or after 4 weeks. So I am kind of sometimes getting lost. Why people don't come back after paying their money or after starting a training or after starting mentoring someone? Why do they drop? Why do they discontinue? What's the problem? What should we do better so that people stay, so that people finish what they started? Unfortunately, most of the things we are working on, you don't just finish them in 3 weeks. Even the Yes Ethiopian non-profit, we have been working for 7 years. The progress we are making is not that big. Partly it's because most of us working as volunteers, we have our own full-time job, our own family businesses, our own education demands and the like. So we cannot give full time, but we try to commit at least 1 hour per week during weekend times or during online meetings by email, whenever and whichever way is better. So I would like to ask your experience. How do you motivate people to remain consistent? What should we do better so that the people who are in our mentoring service, in our training service, in our investment, in book writing club, all these different small initiatives, once they start, they finish or they stay longer? What is the way forward? What's your experience? I'm learning every day. We say we are lifelong learners. Well, I don't know sometimes how long we should learn so that we are fit enough to practice. Uh, from our Telegram group, we have close to 7,000 young people. We have weekly experience sharing sessions. We are motivating young people to engage in volunteer services. Trust me, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, most of them they go back. Even we started a business investment mission where people paid their money, but after 4 weeks, most of these people don't come again for a meeting. Building institutions, working together, you cannot make it happen just in 3 weeks, in 4 weeks. Sometimes you need to engage in a lot of discussions so that we understand the strengths of everyone, so that we also learn about the business process, so that we have a system in place. These discussions are not easy. You cannot just speed them up. You need to take time so that you have a solid foundation, so you didn't make something, a very huge mistake that you regret later. That's why things go slowly and the people don't stay. Is it because of the social media? Are we growing more and more impatient? Or what do you advise us? What can we do better so that people commit, so that they stay? ይህንን ነው ማለት የፈለግኩት። በጣም ተቸግረናል ቱ ቢ ኦነስት። እኔ ካይንድ ኦፍ ግራ ይገባኛል። ምክንያቱም የሆነ ነገር ከሰው ጋር መስራት ከጀመርን በኋላ ከመቶ ውስጥ እኔንም ጨምሮ ብዙዎቻችን ትንሽ ከሄድን በኋላ ወደኋላ እንመለሳለን እና አንቆይም። ገንዘባችንን አውጥተን ተመዝግበን ራሱ ወደኋላ ተመልሰን አንቆጣጠርም፣ ቼክ አናረግም፣ ሀሳብ አናዋጣም። እና ግራ ይገባኛል። በጎ አድራጎትም ላይ አይቻለሁ፣ በነፃ ስልጠና ሰጥቼ አይቻለሁ፣ የመጽሐፍ ክለብ ላይ አይቻለሁ። አሁን ደግሞ ኢንቨስትመንት ላይ እያየው ነው ያለሁት እና ሞሮርለስ ተመሳሳይ ነው ነገሩ። ሰው ገንዘብ ስለከፈለም ስላልከፈለም ሳይሆን እማየው ጥረት ትንሽ ግራ ያጋባል። ምንድን ነው ሰው ጋር ያለው? ለምንድን ነው ሰዎች የጀመሩት ነገር ላይ ጠንከር ማለት የሚያቅተን? መሀል ላይ እየደረስን የሆነ ነገር ምንድን ነው የሚባለው ምንልፈሰፈሰው ነገር አለ። አጀስ ዶንት ጌት ኢት። እኔም ጭምር ምን ሆናለሁ መሰላቸው? ለምሳሌ ስፖርት መስራት 100 ፑሻፕ በ60 ሰከንድ ምናምን የጀመርነው አለ አይደል? እውነቴን ነው የምላችሁ ከ4 ሳምንት በኋላ አልጋዬ ውስጥ መደበቅ ነው የሚያሰኘኝ ማለት ነው። እና እንዴት ነው ይህንን የኮንሲስተንት ያለመሆን ችግራችንን እንዴት አድርገን ነው መቅረፍ የምንችለው የሚለውን እንደው እስቲ ሀሳብ ስጡኝና ወጣቱንም እንደዛ ብናሰለጥን ጥሩ ነው ባይ ነኝ። በጣም ብዙ መዝረክረካ ያለው ከሚገርማችሁ አይ ዶንት ኖ ላይክ እንደው ስንቶቻችሁ በዚህ አይነት ነገሮችን ታዝባችሁ እንደሆነ። እኔ ግን ከበጎ አድራጎት ጀምሮ እስከ ቢዝነስ ድረስ አይቻለሁ። ለ7 ዓመት ልምድ ወስጄ ነው የምነግራችሁ። 90%ቱ ሰው ጀምሮ ያቋርጣል። በቃ ይሄን ነው የምነግራችሁ። 90% እስካሁን ያየሁት ኢትዮጵያዊ የሆነ ስራ አብሮኝ ጀምሮ አቋርጦ ሄደዋል። የሆነ ጀምሮ አቋርጦ ሄደዋል። የሆነ አንዳንዱ በምክንያት ነው ያቋረጥ ነው። ለምሳሌ አሜሪካ ያለውን የኢትዮጵያ ኦፊስ ወደ ቢዝነስ እየቀየር ነው ያለ ነው። ብዙም እርዳታ እዚህ ሀገር ብዙ የሚፈልግ የለም። የበጎ አድራጎቱ የኢትዮጵያን ሳይድ ይዘን የአሜሪካውን ወደ ቢዝነስ እየቀየር ነው። አሁን ይሄ ታክቲካል አጀስትመንት ነው የተደረገበት። ነገር ግን በጣም ብዙ ምሳሌዎች ነው ያሉኝ። ጀምሮ የማቋረጡ ነገር ያሳስባል እና እስቲ የራሳችሁን ልምድ ሼር አድርጉ ለማለት ነው። እጅግ አመሰግናለሁ። ቴንክ ዩ